Good afternoon, students. Students, it's a science class, and today I'm going to start chapter 4 Pollination. Children, in this chapter, we will know about some topics, and these topics are parts of a flower, and the next topic is types of flowers, bisexual and monosexual flowers. And the next topic is pollination, and the next is process of pollination and ways of pollination, self and cross pollination. So children, in this chapter, these all topics are to be discussed. Now let's start the chapter, and very first we will know what is pollination. Children, pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma. Means, in the simple words, we can say that transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma is called pollination. So now let's start the chapter. Flowers perform a very important function for the plant. Most of the plants produce flowers of different colors and scents in different seasons. They grow on small bushes, large trees, or small herbs. Plants produce flowers to make seeds. Flowers gives rise to fruit with seeds in it. Okay. New plants grow from seeds. So children, flower is the main and important part of a plant, because most of the plants produce flowers of different colors, different types, different size, and scents in different seasons. They grow on small bushes. You can find flowers on small bushes and trees and many kinds of herbs. Means most of the plants have flowers, and plants produce flowers to make seeds. We know very well that seeds we can get from flowers, and flowers gives rise to fruit with seeds in it. Children, we get fruits from flowers because flowers gives rise to fruits, and we also get seeds from the fruits, and fruits we get from flowers. New plants grow from seeds. Children, I think all of you know that न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो फ्रॉम सीड्स. इन हिंदी जो न्यू प्लांट्स होते हैं वो कहाँ से बनते हैं, कहाँ से ग्रो करते हैं? सीड्स से. और सीड्स जो होता है वो हमें कहाँ से प्राप्त होता है? मोस्टली सीड्स हमें फ्रूट्स से प्राप्त होते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम बात करें फ्रूट्स कैसे तैयार होते हैं, कहाँ से प्राप्त होते हैं हमको, तो मोस्टली फ्रूट्स जो है फ्लावर्स से ही हमको जो है प्राप्त होते हैं. पहले क्या होगा? फ्लावर बनेगा, और फ्लावर्स में से ही क्या होता है? फ्रूट्स जो है तैयार होते हैं. ठीक है ना? सो वी कैन से दैट फ्लावर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्री. ओके, ऑफ अ प्लांट. नाउ लेट्स नो अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ फ्लावर. नाउ वी विल नो how many parts a flower has. Children, flowers are the reproductive organs in flowering plants. A flower is generally supported by a part of stem or stalk. B, call it the stem of a flower, a stalk, okay, or called it pedicel, okay. The pedicel has a solen. The pedicel has a solen end called the thalamus. So children, with the help of this picture, we can understand about the parts of a flowers, okay. So children, this is stigma, and this is called petal, and this is anther, and this is called filament, and this is style, and this is ovary, sepal, and this is pedicel, this is thalamus. These all are the parts of a flower, okay children. You know, a flower has four main parts: calyx, corolla, endoecium, and gynoecium, that are arranged in holes on the thalamus. So children, about calyx, we will know about this topic in the next video.